It's time to drive this big. Look at these guys. In front there is a crocodile festival.
When you see me, you better run. Playing duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
Alright guys, it's 2:15 in the afternoon and we have just come out of Coimbatore and my man Sajid is going to drive the car now. Come on bro, need for speed.
No need for speed, bro. Time to chill. We are going to Kerala.
And the roads are damn good, but still bro, calm down bro. Anyways guys, we are going to play the music and chill, and when we are close to Kerala, I'll start vlogging. Till then, peace, because the roads are going to be plain and boring. For some reason, there are like hundreds of windmills over here, man. It looks creepy.
Creepy, yeah.
And check it out, guys. For some reason, this one is not working. I don't know how these looks on camera, but they are extremely scary, man, in real life.
Huge.
They are like huge. Bigger than giant wheels, I guess.
What? Giant wheels are no match.
A man Sajid busy looking at windmills and forgetting that there will be speed breakers on Indian roads. Come on bro, Sajid, calm down bro.
Yeah.
Check this out, guys. And there are like hundreds of windmills over here, man. What do you think, bro? Should we go to Ooty or Munnar? Both are 150 kilometers away from here.
Every time we thought of going to Kerala, it always, the plan always fails for some reason. Let's make this happen this time for once.
And by the way, bro,
No.
check out this headrest, bro. Why aren't you giving your neck a rest, bro?
That's not headrest. They should change the name from headrest to, I don't know, head support maybe.
Seriously, this is not a headrest, man.
Yeah.
No way you are going to rest
Take
your
rest
head
on
there.
Yeah, exactly. They should give a flexibility option here as well. The only way my head touches that part would be is if I'm hitting a speed bump or a speed breaker. That's it.
I never gave my head a rest, man, with this headrest.
Yeah. If you give your head a rest, then you are resting in peace.
Damn, there is a river crossing over here, and check out this uncle taking pictures.
And now we'll be on to
Whoa! Let me just get down and show you guys. Whoa. And check out the other view over there, man. This seriously looks like Uncharted 4 plus Forza Horizon 3 altogether. What's up, bro? Are you planning to steal my GoPro? And check out these people boating over there. Sorry, bro, I didn't give you a chance. That is why the map says 5 hours, because of this beautiful location. It knows that obviously people are gonna stop and extend the time. Since the hairpin bends have started, I am taking the wheel. So I don't want to queue.
I want to have fun, but okay, I'll drive while coming back.
Don't worry, guys. I will drive while coming back. And holy, look at this view, man. Too steep, man. I'm not able to stand here at all. Whoa, this view is amazing. Don't forget to slot the car into any gear before, stopping in these kind of street roads. It's time to drive this beast to the God's own city. And there is a little bit of traffic jam over there, and by the time those comes, I'm just gonna floor this car. Yep.
Yeah, I mean, you really can't floor this car through these cars, but yeah, here.
And I really like the handbrake, man. It's just stopping the car without any efforts. Oh.
I didn't record on the
shit, we forgot to rail.
జారిపోతే అడిగి కారు చిన్న గతుకు గట్టిగా వచ్చింది అనుకో అలా డిప్ప మొత్తం కూడా వచ్చేస్తుంది పైన రూఫ్ అంతా నాకు తెలిసి.
Oh, this is amazing. I think this is the Kerala border.
Yeah, I guess.
What is happening, bro? We are not allowed to go or what? Are?
అదేంది మరి వాడికి లాగా
Abu ABU ZAR. Receipt. There I paid 50 rupees. You receipt ఇవ్వాలంట ఆడ పే చేసింది. Thank you, sir.
Morning, sir. Good afternoon. Going to Kerala.
Munnar.
Yeah. Entry. You pay? You have to pay? We have to pay money? No. Okay.
So there are like unlimited check-ins to enter Kerala.
Camera is recording?
Yeah, sir. Okay, sir. So for some reason these cops were really nice, right?
They were really humble. They were asking like, where are you coming from? How is the journey?
Even that cop is like, can you please stop the camera? He literally said, please man, for the first time a police please.
Yeah.
And the cop is showing thumbs up to me, man, cheering me up.
He's welcoming us with open heart,
Kerala Forest checkpost. And again we have to write.
Seriously.
I was expecting the roads to be like Ooty, bigger ones, but it's okay, man. We have XUV, so no need to worry about the roads. Just keep climbing. Whoa. There are no hairpin bends as such so far. Why is this guy stopped car, that too in a corner, man?
So Abu, how's the dynamics? Car driving dynamics?
Nice, bro.
Through the parts.
I'm enjoying it because of the steering. Too light. I can literally play. I was turning my cruise steering with both the hands, if you guys have seen the video driving to Ooty. But in this one it's a single hand game. That is the reason, guys, coordination is really important in cut roads. Otherwise we'll end up in a very big jam. See this guy, he stopped over there. Perfect timing. Yep, the best part is I'm not facing any turbo lag and the car is climbing effortlessly. Imagine driving here in the nights.
I don't think they allow in the night. Would they?
Honda City. Ahaha. Re. Look at this helmet. Acha, the hill hold assist is acting up. Nice. I'm just gonna wait for that guy to come.
One bar.
Wait bro. I know bro, I can see you. What the fuck? Goodbye. Yeah. What sound is this, man?
Is that a river down there? Yeah.
Oh, damn, that's loud. Can you guys see that water flowing over there? We saw that from there. Nice. Goodbye, Sajid. Goodbye.
Bye, bro.
Don't jump, bro, Sajid. All right. So, I own 2 cars from today. One is XUV and Cruise. Oh, left lo raay undi chudu.
Line ఉంది.
Left lo అక్కడ చూడు.
వెనక్కి రా లేకపోతే వెనక్కి రా. పద లెఫ్ట్ పద. లెఫ్ట్
తగలదు కదా?
తగలదు. లెఫ్ట్ తగలదు. అంతే పద. పక్క. Shit, that was so close, man.
Unfortunately, we did a little bit of traffic jam. I mean, we didn't do. We came out on time. Damn, this looks amazing, man. Left, right. Snake dance roads.
Wild stay rooms available.
Mutti Echo Shop 50 meters ahead. Oh, check it out, guys. There is a very big tortoise over here. All right. Crazy tortoise, by the way. I think while coming back we'll stop there because it's getting dark, man. And look at this beautiful waterfall. Bro, we are definitely stopping here while coming back and having his tea over there.
I think we're already in Munnar.
No bro, Munnar is still 42 kilometers away. This is some small town. Bro, how do we even go there, bro? That's literally like 80 degrees steep. But seriously, this is a fun to drive car in these kind of ghat roads. Appa, just to miss Rava. Man, these are not close cars. This is how the roads are.
I'm calling home and ordering a new car now.
We are still entering to God's own country. Imagine how awesome it will be. You seriously need God skills to drive here, man. Just check out this map. Whoa. Damn, bro.
Stop there.
Check sunroof.
Leave.
Ay, yeah. Oof. Ah. Damn, bro. This is next level, guys. I don't know what's up there in Munnar, but so far this is next level for me. And check out this red beast. What's up, bro?
What's up?
All right, it's getting late. It's 6:10 already and we are still 1 hour away from the actual destination. 30 kilometers, abba. Look at this, guys. In front there is a crocodile festival. There are like unlimited sceneries over here. I don't know what to show. Oh shit. Whoa. You need God skills to go to God's own country. Outside temperature is 30 degrees. No way it's 30 degrees outside, man. It feels like 18 or 20. It's getting dark, man. Night driving is easy though in these ghat roads, but you will. The problem is with the sceneries, man. You will miss. Anyways, we are like 15 kilometers away from Munnar. I can officially stop honking because it's dark and I can see who's coming in front. And the best part is I don't have to shift down while cornering. Turbo lag is well contained.
In UT you were using just 1-2. Here you can use 1-2.
Yeah, right now I'm driving at third gear without any issues, maintaining 40 speed. Oh,
Light leveling chuda.
height on the. All right. So I kept a poll on Instagram, right? SUV or cruise. Some people were like, bro, take both cars. Guys, what do you think about us? We are not sponsored yet. We are doing this with our own money. Damn, check this out, guys. We are literally in the clouds right now. And the temperature is 16 degrees outside. Oh boy. Sudden bad roads. Alright, so we have booked hotel which is like 12 kilometers away from here. It's inside city and look at these roads, man. It's scary and there are like thousands of resorts around the place. What's up, guys? It's 9:50 in the night and we are currently going to our hotel. We are in Munnar. We had booked one property, but for some reason the owner called us and asked us to cancel the booking. So now my man Sajid just fought with the customer support and finally got our refund. And right now we are heading to another property which looks like a haunted house, but
at this stage we basically,
it is like 8 kilometers away from here and I don't know where we are going. It's too dark out here, man. I'm sure that there are like amazing sceneries out there, but tomorrow morning we will be exploring this and you will be watching some unbelievable scenes in the next video. Arey! Guys, that's like next level steep.
నువ్వు నీ క్రూజ్ దింపాలి.
మామ అంచి వీడియో కూడా తీరా.
సౌండ్ వస్తుంది.
అబ్బా!
No, I don't think so.
Damn, guys, check this. Like literally we are coming down to ground floor from 10th floor. All right. Some scary landing over there. Sada? Podu polo pakkana podu.